Hello and welcome everyone. In this series of lectures, I will be discussing short answer questions to you. The answers to these questions have to be in 2 or 3 lines. Today's question is a high carbohydrate diet induces sleep. Explain this. When we eat food, it is composed of the macromolecules, lipid, carbohydrate and proteins. The, all these macromolecules are digested and absorbed. The proteins are broken down into the amino acids, and among these amino acids, tryptophan is a large neutral amino acid that competes with the other amino acids including leucine, isoleucine, valine, phenylalanine and threonine when crossing the blood-brain barrier. All these amino acids are also examples of large neutral amino acids. However, tryptophan is the largest and bulkiest of them all. Because of this competition for the same transporter to reach the brain, there is a traffic jam, and this causes traffic jam in the amino acid transport system in brain cells. Long or large neutral amino acids prevent the bulky tryptophan from entering the brain. There is low serotonin and melatonin production due to more competition for tryptophan from other amino acids to enter the brain. However, when the diet is carbohydrate rich, let's see what happens. After a carbohydrate rich meal, insulin secretion is increased. We all know that. Insulin induces uptake of amino acids by muscles. This results in decreased availability of amino acids in the blood or in the circulation. Consequently, there is less competition between the amino acids and tryptophan. So, more tryptophan enters the blood cells where it is metabolized into serotonin and melatonin. In this way, facilitating sleep. This is the simple diagram of a carbohydrate rich diet which leads to increased insulin, which leads to further increased absorption of amino acids into the skeletal muscles. So tryptophan can easily enter the brain. In the brain, it is metabolized to serotonin, which is further metabolized to melatonin. Both are neurotransmitters, and both these neurotransmitters can induce sleep, and therefore a carbohydrate rich diet induces sleep. In the next slide we will see a comparison of diets. So here there is a comparison between the carbohydrate and protein rich diet. When the diet is rich in proteins, it has all these large neutral amino acids on one side and tryptophan on the other side. This is the bulkiest of all these large neutral amino acids. Because tryptophan is so bulky and all these amino acids have the same transporter to take them from circulation to the brain. As tryptophan is bulky, it cannot enter the brain, so there is less tryptophan, and because of this, the neurotransmitters serotonin and melatonin concentrations are low. On the other hand, when carbohydrate rich diet is consumed, there is increased insulin secretion, and because of this high insulin secretion, the large neutral amino acids are now taken up by the skeletal muscles. So tryptophan is free and it doesn't face the competition, and therefore it can easily enter the brain. So a high amount of tryptophan in the brain will lead to good amount of serotonin production, and this in turn will lead to good melatonin production. Both these neurotransmitters are known to induce sleep. So a high carbohydrate diet induces sleep. I'm sure you found this question very interesting. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel.